Hi there, folks, and welcome back to another Workspace Wednesday. Well, recently we got a comment on our YouTube channel for a tip that we did in Google Sheets on pop-up calendars with data validation in Google Sheets from Sophie Miller. And she pointed out that Google Sheets has changed a little bit, so we're going to update how you can make a pop-up calendar in Google Sheets using data validation. So let's go ahead and jump in right here. We're going to work in column A here. And you can see that right now we have our pop-up validation or our data validation set up already, where you can just double click any of these. And so how did we do that? Let's look at the updated way. We're going to go to column B. And what you'll do is you'll select either the cell or the column, or you could even do the row if you want. For us, we're going to use column B, and you just highlight the entire thing. We're going to click on data up here at the top, and then we're going to go down to data validation. And then you'll see this nice little pop-up show up here, and you can see that we already have our data is valid column for A right over here, but we're working with B. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add a rule. And instead of using the criteria of drop down, we're going to select this and we're going to look at the drop down and select is valid date. So once we select that, this will now create our data validation so that when we double click it, we can select a date. But what I want to do is eliminate this top row up here. So I'm just going to simply go up to the apply to range and scroll all the way over. And I'm going to just change this from B1 to B2. And then I'm going to go ahead and lock it so that it doesn't go beyond that. And we'll go ahead and leave it at that. I'm not going to add any text to help. Just going to show a warning. And then we'll click done. And if I come over here now and I double click, you see we have our pop-up again all the way down. So one more time real quick. Just in column C, or we'll do it over here. We're going to hit data, data validation, add rule, and our rule is going to be is valid date. Once we get that, you can either leave it the whole entire column, or like me, you can change that and hit done. And then we can come over here, double click again, and we get our dates. And that's it. That's how you create a pop-up calendar using data validation in Google Sheets. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions with Google Sheets, go ahead and post them down in the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.